Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice English with Rakesh. So my friend, today in this video I am going to share my day, how was my day today. Because why I'm sharing this with you, because today there are so many things that you will learn. Okay, so let's start the video. So in the morning time, I got up early in morning, 5 o'clock today. So why I got up in 5 o'clock? So I will tell you. So today actually I had to go hospital, AIMS hospital, with my dad. Okay, so 5 o'clock I got up, my dad also got up 5 o'clock. So I had a shower. Okay, and my mom was making breakfast. So I had shower, then I dressed up. Then in the morning time I was not in mood to take food. So I packed food into the tiffin and I put this into the bag. Then we both, me and my dad, we actually walked to the station. We reached to the station after 5 minutes. So our actually bus station, actually our NH road from my house, it's just like a 500 meters. So we both reached the bus stop. Then we actually stood there just for 10 minutes. We were waiting for the bus. So there were 5-6 passenger more. They were waiting for the bus, same bus. So bus actually came. So I waved to the bus. So driver stopped the bus. Then all the passenger, me, my dad, and passenger, they all got up on the bus. So today, what happened? Actually, bus was packed. There was not a single seat vacant. So for me, it's not a problem because I'm a habitual. I could stand there in the bus, but my dad, he actually couldn't stand for a long time. So what happened after when we actually reached a small station? So actually 5 and 6 passengers got off from the bus. So my dad actually got a seat. I also got a seat. So we both sat on the seat. So we reached AIMS hospital, AIMS Bilaspur. We reached AIMS hospital like 7:30 a.m. We both got off from the bus and walked towards the main entrance of the AIMS hospital. So we reached there. Then there were so many people. There were so many people in the morning time because AIMS hospital actually opens at 8 o'clock in the morning. So these days government implemented one process that if somebody comes to AIMS hospital, then they have to make prescription slip through Aadhaar card. So that was online process. So I had a mobile. So I downloaded Aadhaar application on my mobile and I put my dad Aadhaar number in this application and I got token number. So I got token number, then we both sat in the waiting area. When my token number actually came, so my dad was standing in the queue. So I got precisely the doctor floor, actually that was on 3rd floor. So in 3rd floor we got actually 56 number to saw the doctor. So we sat there in the waiting area and we both were waiting for our number. So after 1 hour, we were called who's 56 number. So my dad actually went to the doctor. So my dad actually got checked. There is another passive sentence. My dad got checked. मेरे dad ने check करवाया, नहीं किया. Okay. So my dad got checked up by the doctor. Okay. So after my dad came out from the doctor cabin. So doctor actually prescribed him some medicine. So what happened to my dad? So actually my dad head was spinning, okay, like dizziness. Okay, my dad was feeling dizziness. My dad head was spinning. Doctor prescribed some medicine and tonic because so they actually gave the reason why my dad head was spinning. So they gave the reason, doctor, it's because weakness. So they actually advised my dad to eat something good food and that tonic. So we both walked down to the first floor and we actually went to the pharmacy and I purchased medicine from the pharmacy. Then I came out from the main entrance of the hospital. I was thinking like we should take auto. Yeah, we should take long route bus to reach the Bilaspur main bus stand. But my dad said special bus aims to Bilaspur. That special bus actually was about to come here, and that bus actually will return to the Bilaspur after 10 minutes. So I said, "Dost, okay, we will wait." So we actually waited there just for a half hour. Then bus came. Passenger got off from the bus, and new passenger actually got on the bus. That bus actually was standing there, and after 10 minutes, the bus started running. So we reached our district bus stand, Bilaspur bus stand. We reached there. So we actually bought some fruits, okay, some others dry fruits, and we got on the bus, another bus, okay. Then we reached our home after 1 hour. So today actually it was very hectic day because actually when someone actually go to hospital for checking up, so it's very difficult to pass the time there in hospital because we have to wait for long queue. We have to wait for our number, okay. And if doctor actually advise some test, then we have to actually give sample. The thing is that they actually only prescribe the medicine and they actually said, just take medicine, you will be all right. So then I reached at home. So I reached at home, and after that I actually took 15 minutes nap. Then I just started working on my laptop. So today actually I actually arranged one meeting with one person because actually I couldn't work in morning time. So today actually I could arrange meeting with one person. So what I'm saying that if you practice, if you start thinking in English like where about everyday routines, every day what you do every day, just start practicing. So if you are facing some kind of problems, if you are hesitating, okay, then you can contact me. I will help you, I will advise you properly how you can actually remove your hesitation and start speaking, start thinking in English, because it's very important. We actually, the thing is that our mother tongue language is different, okay. So we have been speaking that mother tongue language from childhood, okay. So the thing is that you have to think in English, and every day just talk to yourself. How did you do your work today? What did you do? So many things actually in everyday activity. Then you can talk to yourself in front of camera, in front of mirror. If you can't speak in front of mirror, then you can just think and remind. So that's all for this today's video. So if you want to practice with me, okay, like over the video call, yeah, over the voice call, then you can message me and I will help you definitely. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you very much.